Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to pay with crypto anywhere using Revolut. So it's pretty easy. Actually, I'm going to show you step by step. Just open up your Revolut application. Then go to the home page, which is right here. On the home page, go to the top right corner where you can open up your cards. Now this is very important. Here you will see all your cards that are available on Revolut. Just choose whichever you prefer. And then in this menu, you have to tap on settings, which is going to open up the settings menu of that specific card. And then go to the first option, which is all cash accounts, spend from. And here you basically can set which cryptocurrency you would like to use for your debit card, which means that if you set it to cryptos, then anytime when you pay with your debit card at any store or website or anywhere, they will receive the amount in their preferred currency, but you will be charged in crypto and it is going to convert it from your crypto account. It's pretty neat. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider sending a super thanks donation.